Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're watching this, you're likely familiar with the struggle of thinning hair, especially on the top of the scalp. Men in particular face this concern. And today, we're reviewing a product that's designed to help with exactly that. It's the Amazon Basic Care Minoxidil Topical Solution USP 5%, a hair regrowth treatment that promises to help you regrow hair with regular use. If you've been looking for a proven solution, stick around to hear what we think about it. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with more honest reviews like this. We're all about helping you make informed choices for your hair care needs. Now let's talk about the product. Amazon Basic Care Minoxidil is an extra-strength hair regrowth treatment designed specifically for men experiencing thinning hair on the top of the scalp or the vertex. It features 5% minoxidil, which is the active ingredient in Rogaine, and is clinically proven to reactivate hair follicles to stimulate hair regrowth. If you've been considering a product like this, it's a key ingredient that's trusted by dermatologists. The formulation is unscented, which is a big win for those who are sensitive to fragrance or don't want a lingering smell. It comes with an easy-to-use dropper, making it simple to apply twice a day as recommended. That's crucial because consistency is key when using minoxidil. In terms of performance, I did not personally use this product because it's specifically designed for men, but my husband was kind enough to step in for me and give it a try. He's been dealing with thinning hair for a while, and we've both been curious to see how effective minoxidil could be. So, here's what we found out from real-life usage. Applying the solution twice a day was straightforward. The dropper made it easy to distribute the solution directly onto the thinning areas. The liquid itself is very light, and there's no irritation on the scalp after application, which is always a concern with hair products like this. It absorbed quickly without leaving any greasy residue. And the fact that it's unscented is a plus. No overpowering smells when he's applying it, especially if you're going out or just don't want any lingering fragrance in your hair. Now, after using this for several weeks, he started to notice some subtle changes. There was a slight improvement in hair density around the affected area. However, it's important to note that results take time. He's not expecting a full head of hair overnight, but this product does show promise with continued use. When it comes to pros, here's what stood out. Pros: clinically proven. Minoxidil is a trusted ingredient for hair regrowth, and this product follows suit. Simple application. The dropper makes it easy to apply without any mess. No scent. For those who prefer fragrance-free products, this one is ideal. Affordable. This product offers a more budget-friendly option compared to other minoxidil brands, like Rogaine, but with the same active ingredient. Cons: not for women. As the label clearly states, this treatment is not for women, so it's important to keep that in mind if you're looking for a solution for female thinning hair. Results: take time. It's not a quick fix. You'll need to be patient and consistent for several months before seeing significant results. Possible scalp irritation. While my husband didn't experience this, some people might, so it's always worth patch testing the product before committing fully. In terms of value for money, Amazon Basic Care Minoxidil is definitely one of the more affordable options on the market when compared to branded counterparts like men's Rogaine. Given that it has the same active ingredient and a similar formula, it provides solid value for the price. If you're trying minoxidil for the first time or looking to save a little, this could be a great choice without sacrificing quality. There are other similar products out there, like the original Rogaine, which also contains 5% minoxidil. Rogaine has been a leader in the market for a long time, and it's still highly recommended. However, if you're looking for a more cost-effective alternative, this Amazon Basic Care option performs similarly, offering comparable results at a lower price point. Now, as far as build quality and longevity go, the packaging is simple but effective. The dropper works well, and the solution lasts quite a while, considering you only need a small amount each time. Since it's a liquid, it doesn't feel heavy or greasy, and you don't need to worry about it running out too quickly, even with daily use. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments below. In terms of customer support, we haven't personally needed to contact Amazon Basic Care, but based on their reputation and the nature of their products, I'm confident that if you did have any concerns, they'd be quick to assist. They typically provide a helpful support team for product inquiries or issues. As for updates, there have been no major updates to this product as of now, but it's always a good idea to check if any new packaging or formulations have been introduced before purchasing. For those on a tighter budget, there are cheaper alternatives like Equate Minoxidil, which also offers the same active ingredient at a lower price. It's a good option if you want to try a minoxidil treatment without committing to a high-end brand, though again, results may vary by person. In conclusion, the Amazon Basic Care Minoxidil Topical Solution USP 5% is a solid option for men who are dealing with thinning hair and want to try a clinically proven treatment without spending too much. It's easy to use, fragrance-free, and affordable, making it a good alternative to pricier minoxidil treatments. If you're okay with the fact that it's not for women and are willing to wait for results, this might be worth trying. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the link in the comments if you're ready to give this a try. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, take care.